Here you go, birthday boy.
That looks good. Yes.
I hope you
I'm
enjoy.
ready. I will.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. Today we are going to be making a special dinner. This is for my father-in-law's birthday celebration tonight. They are in town visiting from Virginia, and he always requests a meal. So this is something I think he's really going to love. It's beef bourguignon, and I'm going to serve it over egg noodles, and then we'll have a side with bread and some asparagus. So we're going to go ahead and start with the star of the show. This is our chuck roast, and I got a 5-pound one because we're going to have 6 of us, and then we'll have leftovers. Tomato paste, beef broth, salt and pepper, fresh parsley, some potatoes. We have honey gold and then the mini red potatoes. We have a mixture, bacon, some butter, and then our vegetables are going to be mushrooms and carrots, and I've mixed those together. Red wine, your egg noodles, some olive oil, and flour. We also have pearl onions. I made a rookie mistake and left those at the grocery. So Isaiah is bringing those back for me. So you're gonna notice I'm using my big pot today. I call it my roux pot because this is how I always start my gumbo and my jambalaya. But today we're gonna make this meal in there because we have a lot of ingredients and I want everybody to have room to spread out. I don't want it to be all bunched up together. First, we turned on our stove. I've got it at around 5 right now, and I'm gonna cut chunks of bacon because that's how you start this meal. So we've got our bacon all cut into chunks, and I'm gonna throw that in our pot and get it going, and then we will take that out and I'll show you what we do after that. All right, so we've got our bacon. I'm sure you can hear it sizzling back there. And now I'm going to cut this amazing roast. And you can cut it into chunks. And you can buy chunks already cut up, but I just decided to get a whole roast, and you can cut them to whatever size you want to cut them to. So we have our bacon, it's out of the pot now. We did leave the bacon grease in there because we're gonna take our beef that I've cut up, put that in just to sear it with some salt and pepper on it. Okay, so I browned the meat, took that back out of the pot and put it in a dish, and then that way I could start my sauce. I left all that in there, the bacon grease, the juices from the meat, and then I add a bottle of wine, 2 cans of beef broth, garlic, Worcestershire, tomato paste, and our veggies. That would be our potatoes, carrots, mushrooms, and onions. So I added the beef back in along with the bacon, which that makes me want to eat that dish, and mix it all together, put the lid on it, and threw it in the oven. So now we wait. It says, according to different recipes, some have 6 hours. We didn't do that one. And like I said before, I take a lot of recipes, mix them together, and then make my own dish. So that's why I can't really give you a time, but I will let you know how long it takes. Hopefully not long, because I can hear my family is hungry. So I checked on our beef bourguignon. It is amazing looking. I tasted it, added a little more seasonings just to what we would like the taste to be, and then took the lid off, added some flour to thicken that gravy up, and that is ready to go now. For our side item tonight, we're gonna have asparagus. I know, we're eating a lot of vegetables. This should like cover us for a few meals now. But I am sauteing that in butter, garlic, salt, and pepper. Easy peasy. I just went ahead and bought some frozen rolls that you put butter on, bake them for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I have the egg noodles that I need to cook, and we will put the beef bourguignon over that, and I think this is going to be a delicious meal. Well, everything is ready to go. I'm going to plate it up, and we are going to sit down for my father-in-law's birthday, enjoy this time together, and hopefully enjoy this meal together. I hope they like it. I think they will. Let me know if you guys make this, if you make any changes. I want to know. What do you guys do different? Thank you so much for watching. We'll talk to you next time. Bye. Hopefully it doesn't take too long because my family is hungry.
Is dinner ready yet?
Please let it be ready.
We're starving.
Oh my gosh. Are you so hungry? That's so heavy.